Hello guys, you all are welcome to my channel. This is Shraddha and today I will explain about the human digestive system. So what is the digestive system in your body? There is a main systems that is three main system present: human digestive system, then human circulatory system and human respiratory system. So what is the function of the digestive system? In the digestive system you just take food from the mouth and it just circulate in your alimentary canal, and so that the food break down into a smaller particle, and the intestine can absorb the glucose from the food, and it can be transported to the blood so that the blood circulate the glucose to your cell. And cell, why a cell want glucose? So cell want to be alive through the ATP. It cell wants ATP, and for to produce the ATP, cell want glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen bind and make a ATP and produce a carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's why your body want glucose every day, every moment. So glucose produced from your digestive system. That's why digestive system is very important. So digestive system have two parts. First is the alimentary canal, second is the digestive gland. Alimentary canal is also called a food pipe. In the alimentary canal there is the eight part. First is a mouth from it is your entry point. Matlab means you just enter food from your mouth. It open in the buccal cavity. It is a cavity like structure. In your buccal cavity there is 32 teeth present and one tongue present, and of course salivary gland also present in your buccal cavity, below your buccal cavity. And then it opens through the pharynx. It is also a pipe. It is just a common passage of nasal cavity and buccal cavity. Pharynx open to the esophagus. It is a long pipe. It cross the diaphragm, and then esophagus entered in the stomach. Stomach is a pouch like structure, and stomach entered in the small intestine. Small intestine is a coiled structure. It have three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Then it entered to the large intestine. It have also three part: cecum. In the cecum there is a worm form which is also present. Then it entered to the colon, and then it entered to the rectum, and then rectum open to the anus. This is your exit point, means fecal material throughout from the body from the anus. Okay, and when we talk about the digestive gland, so there is a three digestive gland present: liver, pancreas and salivary gland. Salivary gland, three pair of salivary gland present in your digestive system: one pancreas and one liver present. Okay, in the liver there is a one leaf like structure present, that is called gallbladder. Okay, so now we learn about the digestive system in the alimentary canal. Okay, this is the alimentary canal. So it entered to the mouth. This is the mouth and this is the nose. So this is your mouth enter to your this cavity is called the buccal cavity. So I mark it, buccal cavity. This is buccal cavity and this is nasal cavity, and these both cavity open to this passage, and this passage is called the pharynx. That's why I called pharynx is a common passage of nasal cavity and your buccal cavity. Okay, the now pharynx is now divided into two parts, two tubes. One tube enter in your lungs. This is your lungs. So this is called trachea. Okay, and this long tube enter in your stomach, and this long tube is called the esophagus. So this long tube is called the esophagus. Now esophagus is stomach in a pouch like structure. This structure is called the stomach. Okay, now stomach is entered to the small intestine. I told you this is your complete alimentary canal. Pharynx, esophagus, stomach enter the small intestine. So first part is a duodenum. So this C-shaped structure, this C-shaped structure is called your duodenum. Okay, this is duodenum, and then duodenum enter to the jejunum. So this is coiled structure is called jejunum. This coiled structure is called jejunum, and now jejunum enter to the ileum. This called the ileum. So this is your small intestine. Now small intestine enter to your large intestine. This structure is called your large intestine. So this is divided into also three parts. So this part is called your cecum. This is called cecum. Okay, now this coiled structure is called colon. So colon have also three part. This is descending colon, sorry, ascending colon, and this is transverse colon, and this is descending colon. Okay, now it open to this part. This is called rectum, and this rectum open to your anus. So this is all about your alimentary canal. Okay, this is your complete alimentary canal. It start to your mouth enter to the buccal cavity. Then this two structure, these structures called, actually there is also one pair of salivary gland little bit here present. This is the salivary gland, and this yellow is called liver, and this leaf like structure is called pancreas. Okay, so mouth start, you just alimentary canal start with the mouth. It enter to the buccal cavity. Here your salivary gland, three pair of salivary gland present. It entered to your pharynx enter to your esophagus enter to the stomach enter to the c-shaped structure, that is duodenum enter to the jejunum enter to the ileum. Jejunum and ileum, these three part called your small intestine. This is just like a earthworm structure. Ileum enter to your large intestine, first part of the large intestine, that is cecum, and this flap like structure is called vermiform appendages. Okay, so this is vermiform appendages, and then cecum enter to your colon. This is complete your colon. This is ascending colon, transverse colon, and that is descending colon. Now descending colon enter your rectum. Rectum is also pouch-like structure. Then it enter to your anus. Anus is a last exit point of your fecal material. So this is all about your digestive system, and three digestive gland present, salivary gland present, liver present. This is a small called gallbladder, and this is pancreas. So this is all about your digestive system, and this is the complete passage of the digestive system, and these are the digestive gland. So thank you so much for the watching, and if you like my video, so please subscribe it and comment it.